Okay, just a short vid to show what I did to this drain on this compressor here. Getting underneath it is a pain in the butt to drain out the condensation. So I pulled the little drain cock out, put a 90-degree on there with a compression fitting. 1/4-inch copper tubing comes up. Run straight across to this 1/4 turn valve, and you just rotate it. It comes out of here. You can put a bucket underneath there or something to catch all that rusty water that comes out. One thing that's important is copper work hardens from vibration and from bending and stuff like that. So you can't leave it flopping. You can't leave it flopping on the tank here. So you need to put 1 or 2 little cable clamps like I did here on long runs. Because if this stuff vibrates and rattles against the tank, it'll crack either right here at the fitting or right down here at the fitting, right there where it goes into that compression fitting. So that's how you do it. Save your back. Put a little 1/4 turn valve on there. Much easier. And if you have a vertical compressor that is 5 feet tall, you don't want to be crawling up underneath that thing and having to drain water out at least once a week like you're supposed to. It's a pain in the butt. So put one of these little tubes on your compressor and your back will thank you.